We are back with another video, and look, we got two of them out this time. We got my car, obviously, and then we got Jad's car, which is a Heritage Edition Imola Red. And there are a few differences, so we're gonna go over the differences between an M3 versus an M4, and the differences between the Heritage Edition and the competition. So let's get into it. 1x1 carbon weave on the roof. And then on this one, it has a stripe actually in the carbon. I don't know if y'all can tell. And that's a touch that the Heritage Editions get, whereas the competitions do not get a little stripe. Another difference between the competition and the Heritage Edition is the interior. So the Heritage Edition comes with this really saucy interior. It has the full leather with the red and the accents in the middle with the red stitching, and it has Edition Heritage in the seat on the dash as well. And bro, he's got like cool carbon fiber. It's like red and blue carbon. Like all the OEM carbon on mine is just black. I'll show y'all right now. See, on mine it's just normal carbon fiber. Even right here, we don't have red and blue carbon. So the M4 Heritage Edition is based on a comp. It comes with the comp wheels, and it has competition seat belts in the back, as y'all can tell. And it's funny that the M4 comes with rear comp seat belts, and the M3s don't. Like, I don't have no kind of comp stitching on this one, even though I do have a comp, right? I got the black badge. I have the holes in the seats to prove that it's a comp, and the stitching on the front, but M3s didn't come with the rear seatbelt, and it's kind of weird. Another big difference on these cars is the length of the front door. As y'all can tell on this front M4 door, it is really long, like all the way from there to there. And if I turn here, it goes to about right here on my car, and my door is just like way tinier. And y'all be surprised, the rear on this car on the M4 is actually wider than the M3, even though the hips of the M3 may say so otherwise. I kind of see it. Alright guys, so this was another difference that I noticed between the M3 in Imola Red and the M4 Heritage Edition in Imola Red. Let me know if y'all can notice, but the whole engine bay is glossed, right? Even the bottom of the hood. And then you come over to mine, and it has like a satin finish everywhere. I'm all mine gloss. That's kind of cool. Look how shiny it looks.
Let go. I put on so calm. I put on that Ricky. Bitch, I steal my swag, but they can't get like this. Bitch, I take my swag, but they can't get like this. I be focused on bases, why I stole this bitch. Cartier my lens, I'm gone. Bitch, can't even call my phone. Had to meet my dogs in person, fizz and tap the phone. I can't listen to his shit, turn that trash shit off. I'm gon' drive with my dogs, I ain't talking about golf. Top floor balcony, my vision getting fucking clear. You wake up and see a broke boy when you look in the mirror. If you looking for me now, I'm in my lane, you can't steer it. We talking deals over there, but the place came with interference. Never ducked some smoke, I always just went out and priced it. They was moving off emotions, I move off alignment. You won't even think about stepping out your box, you get what a mind is. Boy, stop talking and just do it, that's why I'm moving silence. AP bust down, I go outside and freeze the climate. I keep going harder and harder, yeah, they know I'm climbing. Watch it sit, and I still don't even know what the time is. Watch it sit, and I still don't even know what the time is. I put on some chrome, I put on that Ricky. Bitch, I steal my swag, but they can't get like this. Bitch, I take my swag, but they can't get like this.
Alright, so we're here at Walmart.
Save money, live better. Walmart.
We got Tony over there in my car, Jad's car. Jad, give us a few rubs. Damn, bruh!
Stop it. Get some help.
It's actually insanely loud. He's on a equal length mid pipe and the Valvetronic muffler. So that was valves open, huh?
One closed?
Yeah. Now this is gonna be valves closed. Oh!
Like a fart.
Yeah, bruh. another. And then Jad's car comes with these super nice door seals that say M Heritage 1750. Whereas mine are just normal M3 ones. Don't worry, we're working on something. We're working on something. They're not gonna be M3 for long, all right?
Uh-oh.
We're making something custom. Okay, Oscar Piastri, you got this. You got this. Here, I'll give you a push.
Give me a push, bro. Oh no, my foot.
Oh, he went off into the barriers.
And sliding nose on into the barriers.
Alright, we're good.
All right. Ready? Activate DRS.
DRS did not open. Yes!
Entry speed was quite slow on that one. It got the Logitech on there. Look. Bro, EJ needs one of these in his car.
Yeah.
At EJ.
No, look right here.
Yes.
Throw that in the back seat.
Yes, absolutely. And then John needs one of these.
Yeah, that's like a perfect match.
Or this one.
Oh my god,
1 hour later. Alright guys, I'm eating a croissant. And we gotta change the plans.
road trip, road trip.
Road trip.
Road trip in the
we're
monster
gonna-
truck, not so long.
Yeah, it's not gonna be a monster truck anymore. Finally, Chad,
Look,
right?
let's see how many Red Bull cans it fits.
One whole Red Bull can.
One, barely.
Alright guys, we're here with Liam's car. We got Chad here, got everyone here, Tony's here. And the car is getting lowered. Look, finally, after so long, after harassing this dude, the car's finally getting lowered, and look, he's tripping out.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Why are you tripping out, bro? Alright guys, one side is done, the passenger front.
Oh, we need wood.
I'm tweaking.
Why are you tweaking?
But by the way, remember these springs are like the highest lowering springs. So it isn't gonna be like crazy.
It's still gonna be better than what you had.
Much better. Much better. Hell yeah.
Yo, this pose is crazy. Alright guys, catch the cinematic.